Hello everyone, how are you? So yeah, for today's video I am just going to do a review of this Shea Glam, this 3 Shea Glam that I've ordered at saka so this is for today's video. Naisip ko lang na magbigay ng reviews kasi nga I had a video also on unboxing dito. So katatapos ko lang kasi maghilamos. Parang mamaos ako, sorry. So katatapos ko lang maghilamos, so I decided to just naglagay na rin ako ng moisturizer at saka sunscreen. So I'm just going to do a review in this. Papakita ko lang sa inyo kung nagamit ko na to mga ilang days na din. So yeah, and let's do it. So first I'm gonna do this here. This is the contour. Nakatayo lang ako kasi mahirap mahirap talaga siya, yung lightning niya mahirap pag nakatayo ka, nakaupo. But I'm gonna try my best kasi gamit ko is yung phone ko lang. So anyway, ang laki ng mukha ko, sobrang lapit. Tsaka sorry din sa noise sa background kasi parang may ata sa taas or sa baba ng apartment namin, may nag-construction. So yeah, so this is the contour. So this is what I'm always gonna do here, to put contour here and here and here, dito din. So guys, this is just a simple review. Yeah, this is my everyday look then, or makeup, everyday makeup. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go get a blender. Sorry about that. So I'm just gonna blend it. So sorry. See, look So I'm also gonna check kung ilang minute ako or how long do I really need to finish this makeup tutorial. Charot, makeup tutorial talaga. So dito din sa Joe, so it's almost 3 minutes. So sobrang yung ko, sponge. So okay, yan na yung contour, and then we are gonna use now the blush on. Guys, ito talaga yung paborito ko so far. I love this. I have in my previous video I show you na yung blush on ko is talaga yung powder, but now this is the first time I use a liquid blush on or contour. So wait, I'm just gonna make I think I need to do lipstick first para naman siya. Iba yung lightning niya. Ito yung favorite lipstick ko so far. Ito yung lagi kong ginagamit. I don't know kung it looks old but I like it. This is the Maybelline New York, and this is the shade number is 799. More taupey. This is the one. More taupey. I like the color. Sorry guys, itong mukha ko nung since bumalik ako dito galing bakasyon sa Pinas, yung mukha ko talaga is siya, nag-change skin yung balat. So yeah, so I'm gonna just put a little bit concealer here. Sa mga nagtatanong kung bakit Sa mga nagtatanong kung bakit nagme-makeup ako kahit na andito lang naman ako sa bahay. Because pag nagpi-pick up kasi ako ni Cassie sa labas, pag nagpi-pick up ako, I have to go through inside the mall. So kailangan talagang, of course, kailangan mo talagang nakaayos, kasi parang nakakahiya naman na parang ano ka, diba? Kasi pwede naman sa labas, pwede naman dadaan ka sa labas, kasi yung bus stop kasi is nasa mismong entrance, sa harap, sa entrance ng mall. So ito kasing ano namin, ito kasing apartment namin is nasa building namin, is nasa taas lang ng connecting siya ng Abu Dhabi Mall. So that's why. So kailangan ko din talagang mag-ayos, kasi of course naman, diba, nakakaya naman dumaan doon, tapos simpleng ka lang. So that's why. I mean, okay naman, wala namang masama doon, diba? Pero kailangan pa din of course mag-look presentable ka naman. Kahit simple makeup lang yan. Lalo naman tayo, diba? Hindi naman tayo kagandahan, or hindi naman ako kagandahan mo para ano na lang, para maglakad na lang ng ano. Siguro kung matangos pa yung ilong ko, or may kilay na talaga ako, that's enough. But I believe na yung pag hindi talaga tayo kagandahan, kailangan din na looks presentable. Charot. Oo, for me lang naman. So what I like about this liquid blush is ganun lang siya, sobrang cute. Tapos ano lang siya, lagyan mo lang siya dito. So i-blend ko na yan siya dyan. I-blend ko na yan siya dyan. Tapos nilalagyan ko din yan siya dito, kasi ito lang yung simple makeup nga, diba? So lagay mo lang yan siya, blend mo lang. Okay, tapos konti lang dap dito. Yes, tingnan mo yung ano niya, yung shade niya, nakikita niyo, sobrang ganda. Tapos naglalast talaga siya for the whole day. Hindi katulad ng powder, natatanggal siya pag dalong natatanggal, or hindi siya natatanggal, pero parang nag-iiba yung ano niya, parang medyo makapal, tapos biglang paano ba yun, nagiging ano na lang, hindi na siya ganun ka obvious, alam mo yun. Pero ito talaga nagsistick talaga siya sa balat mo, which is maganda. So I know that hindi fit yung lipstick ko sa blush on. I should have wala kasi akong mga pink or mga light na color ng lipstick. Ito lang talaga yung paborito ko, yung mga dark. Ayoko din yung ayoko din yung sobrang red, kasi para namang tayo dyan, diba? So after that, yeah, so I think I'm just gonna do my makeup tutorial every day look. So ito lang, tapos kilay. So yeah, let's do it together. So okay, this is the review. I said in my intro that I'm gonna do a review. Okay, I'm just gonna do a review first. After this, then I will continue. So ito siya, ang ganda niya talaga, sobrang ganda. I like it. Please guys, you will not regret. Hindi to paid advertisement, wala to. I'm just telling my own experience that for the first time na nag-order ako nito, ang ganda, sobra. Ganda ng niya, ganda ng shade niya. So ito pala yung Love Cake. Nakita ko lang din to ang shade nitong blush on is Love Cake. Nakita ko lang din to siya sa TikTok. Yeah. So it's a Love Cake shade sa blush on. At ito naman sa contour is the Golden Sun. Golden Sun. Meron din ako itong highlighter. Tatlo sila. And this highlighter is the Vanilla Frost. The Vanilla Frost. So, maganda din siya. So, gonna show you. Maganda lang kasi ito pag ano talaga eh, pag lumalabas ka sa gabi. So, ano mo lang yun dyan siya. Parang mag-reflect naman pag may ano. So, okay guys. So, that's it. So, for today's the review, the 10 out of 10 for this is, yeah, 10 out of, I would rate this as out of 10, 11 out of 10 exactly. So behind expectation, behind the limit, this is the best, and I love it. Really, I really love it. And I think this is now my favorite makeup. Yeah, blush on, contour, and highlighter. This is now my new favorite. Yeah, so you will not regret, guys. So if you didn't really clear it up, kung hindi nyo masyadong nakuha yung ano, yung shade, is again the blush on is the shade is the Love Cake, and then the contour is the Golden Sun, and the shades or the highlighter is the Vanilla Frost. Yes, that's the shades for this three. And yeah, it's up sa inyo kung gusto niyo lang mag-order naman ng blush on, why not? So again, this is in Shane. I've ordered this in Shane. Yeah, so now let's continue our makeup. So what I use is only this one here. This is the mascara, and my brow pencil is from the Benefits. This is just black eyeliner. Sobrang tagal ko na to. The black number 3 black eyeliner. I don't know which one kasi sobrang liit na niya. Oh, ito pala is sa Rossmann. Sa Germany ko to binili kasi meron siyang Rossmann dito. Sobrang ano na ito. So, and this is from Benefits also for my yeah. So first is, yeah. So I'm gonna get back. So, katatapos ko lang pala, as you can see, may nag-iba ba? Charot. So, ayan, yung kilay ko, of course. So, tapos na akong magkilay. So, kasi I'm always gonna, for sure, halos kayo is relate dito, na kahit na ilang years na tayo nagkikilay, talagang hindi pa din natin talaga ma-perfect, or hindi pa natin talaga masyadong makaabisado yung ano, kasi napansin ko talaga kasi hindi siya pantay yung ano natin, yung form ng kilay. So by the way, tapos na po ako magkilay. So again, I use the Benefits shades number 4. So meron din ako nitong from Benefits, yung brow, ano siya, brow brush to put it, para maano siya, para hindi siya maano, para ma-fix siya dyan. And another one, yung ano, yan, para siyang mascara pero sa brows, sa ano lang siya. Yan. So this is also from Benefits. Tapos may isa pa pala, including all of this here. And this, meron concealer. Meron pa palang pang contour. So ito yung powder contour ko. As you can see, gamit na. So dito lang konti. Ito sa ilong ko. Kasi hindi tayo blessed sa ilong. So, kailangan nating lagyan yan siya konti dyan. Yes. And, isa pa is itong eyeliner. Yeah. So, that's it. And, first, I'm gonna do this here. Dito. I always have a hard time to do this here. So, ang ginagawa ko talaga is dito sa malaking salamin. Ayan, natapos din. Grabe. Alam niyo guys, ganito talaga pag walang pag walang cameraman or videographer. Kailangan mong talaga, sariling sikap. So yeah, after that, I'm just gonna wala kasi akong salamin but anyway, andyan na yan. So I'm just gonna do like that. Curl my eyelash. Yes. And then okay guys, so that's it for today's video, and thank you for watching, and I hope you like this video. So if you have any questions, just comment down below and just ask me anything. Yeah, so yeah, so this is my look. This is my everyday look. So nilagyan ko lang ng eyeliner and then eyelashes, and then yeah, I just let the blend of the lash on. So yeah, and thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye. God bless.